there, this is Chris Group with Aesthetic Advisor Laser Academy, and today is an actual follow-up discussion on a treatment we did about a month ago with the Cutera Trusculpt RF device. So you probably have already seen what we did when we had the device on one of my clients, and I showed you the settings and how you did the treatment and what actually it did. So now I'm really excited to show you our first set of after pictures. So we're going to show you before and after on 3 different people. And these are people that are actually in my clinic. One of them is actually me, so don't be judging. I'm a back fat. Because I'm actually putting myself out here and I'm very vulnerable right now, so please don't judge me. You know, all this might not look the same without the shirt, at least from the back. So I'm really excited, except for showing, of course, the one about me. Normally with RF devices, I haven't been a big fan in the past because I've seen so many devices, whether it's radio frequency or some type of diode laser or low-level laser therapy for fat reduction or skin tightening or cellulite reduction. I haven't been a really big fan, okay, and I'm going to put that out there, totally honest, because I haven't seen them work. So when I talked to Cutera about bringing this machine in, I'm like, okay, we're going to film it, we're going to do the before and the afters, and I'm going to control all of that, and then we're going to do a second treatment, and we'll do before and afters after that. I really want to see if it works, and I'm very happily surprised to say that yes, it does seem to be working. And so we're going to show our before and after pictures now. There's going to be 3 sets of them. The first is a friend of mine, and the second is somebody else I know is near and dear. We'll show her stomach, and then we'll show mine. So I'm not even going to tell you, you have to guess which one mine is. The third one. So let's take a look at the first pictures. So as you can see, she's, you know, still has some, you know, little bits and pieces in the area, but it really looks different to me. Now, by the way, all 3 of us, no weight loss with these pictures, okay? We were the same on the scale the day before the first treatment and the day of the next treatment, or when these pictures were taken. So if you look at her back, you can see a noticeable reduction in the amount of fat in the area, and this is the only area we treated on her. So I think this is a pretty good result. You can see a little bit difference in the skin texture. One of the things about using this RF device, because it does create heat in the skin, you can see that it's got just a little bit of texture difference in the skin, a little bit of skin tightening, which looks really terrific. So we're going to roll into our next picture and take a look at her. So as you can see with this client, we worked on her tummy, and I'm really, really impressed by, if you look at her little belly button, it used to look like it was about that wide, the skin around it, and now it's about this. So you can see that in her stomach, the texture of the skin, it looks like there's some skin tightening, and I see a definite improvement in her stomach area and a reduction of fat. Now, by the way, these first 2 people, they started seeing and feeling some difference in their skin and the way that the skin felt and the tightness of it about 3 weeks, 2 weeks into this process. That did not happen for me. Mine took basically the whole month. So I would never tell any of my clients that, hey, in 2 weeks you're going to notice this big of a difference in size. I didn't notice it on myself until the full month. So this last picture is me in all of my glory with my back, and you can really see a difference at the top of that bottom fold right above my hips, a difference in the amount of fat, and like I said, exact same weight a month before as to this photograph. So what I notice is just my clothing fit a little bit different, and the first person pictures that you saw, she noticed when she was putting her tights on, because we did this when it was cold out here in Arizona. She noticed that her tights fit differently, and the middle person, she noticed that her clothing fit differently too. So for one treatment, 1 month after it, I think it's a pretty impressive result. I'm really looking forward to sharing with you a month from now another set of after pictures to see what they look like, because this is basically a 2-treatment protocol. So you do the 2 treatments, and usually you see your best results 90 days out. So I'll probably do pictures 90 days out also. But for a first treatment, I think they look great. People have asked me, is it painful? Yes, it does hurt, okay, but it's manageable. And considering the amount of reduction that I got on the first treatment and how much better my back looks, I was happy to sit through the second treatment. But it is a little bit on the warm side. Certain areas are definitely more ouchy than others. But this is what we're sharing today. Again, this was the Cutera Trusculpt radio frequency device for fat reduction. My name is Chris Group. I'm with Aesthetic Advisor Laser Academy. Thank you so much for coming by and viewing our video. Thanks for not judging. Appreciate it. Talk to you later.